Jo, ano ka nainis? Ano ba yan?
You know what? If I were you, I'll just walk instead of riding. I agree. Don't you think that if you do that, you can save money and you can
Sino nagkaharap
do
dito?
exercises by just walking?
Andap ko nga kasi. Diyan mo siya.
Okay, now I realize that we can help prevent air pollution by walking instead of
Kita
riding.
yung mukha na.
We will only go to the airport.
Mukha mo nakikita.
Yes. If many people will ride a bike instead of riding a tricycle and making a lot of noise, in going to one place, we can help to prevent air pollution like what Angelica do. And we can help a lot of clean and we can have a lot of clean air.
Bakit nakapost lang sa kanya? Dapat iniikot mo siya mga page.